Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipes, banana bread. Not only is it delicious, but it's also super easy to make. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need ripe bananas, flour, sugar, butter, eggs, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. That's it. Simple, right? Now, the key to a perfect banana bread is using ripe bananas. Make sure they have brown spots on the skin, as it will give a sweeter and richer flavor to the bread. Host starts mashing the bananas in a bowl. Host. Alright, let's mash these bananas up. You can use a fork or a potato masher, whichever you have on hand. I like to leave some chunks for added texture, but if you prefer a smoother banana bread, you can mash it completely. Next, we're going to add in our flour, sugar, and butter. Now, I know what you're thinking, butter, but trust me, it adds a wonderful richness to the bread that you won't be able to resist. And now, we crack in 2 eggs. These will help bind everything together and make the bread nice and moist. To make sure our bread rises perfectly, we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and just a pinch of salt. This will balance out the sweetness of the bananas. Host mixes all the ingredients together. Host, time to mix it all together. You can use a wooden spoon or even your hands. Just make sure everything is well incorporated and there are no lumps. Alright, our batter is ready. Now, we grease our loaf pan with some butter to prevent the bread from sticking. Pour in the batter and make sure to spread it evenly. And now, it's time to bake. Alright, our oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to pop in our banana bread for 50 minutes. In the meantime, let's do a little dance while we wait. Alright, our timer just went off and our bread is ready. The house smells amazing, and I can't wait to dig in. Look at how beautifully it has risen. This is the perfect golden brown color that we want. Now, we let it cool for a few minutes before slicing it. And there you have it, my friends. A delicious and moist banana bread that's perfect for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a dessert. The best part, it's super easy to make, so you can enjoy it whenever the craving strikes. Delicious. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay optimistic and keep baking. Bye.